The recipe is available in different languages of the world. Turn on the caption, CC, and select your desired language. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more amazing videos. Energy bar preparation. Take a mixture jar. Add 1 cup roasted peanuts. Grind it coarsely. Add 1 cup roasted sesame seeds. Grind it coarsely. Heat the non-stick pan. Add 2 tablespoons clarified butter. Melt the butter on medium flame. Add 2 cup jaggery. Stir it continuously on slow flame. Melt it nicely. 1 teaspoon cardamom powder. 1 teaspoon ginger powder. 1 teaspoon salt. Mix everything nicely. When the bubbles start coming, add the prepared mix. Mix well. Turn off the flame. Grease the baking paper. Add the prepared mixture. Flatten it with the help of spoon. Make the cut marks. Cool it for 2 hours. 2 hours later, energy bars are ready. Enjoy your meal. Ingredients are available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.